How to use and connect Claude AI to VSCode. Copy-pasting your code snippets back and forth between VSCode and your web browser just to get Claude's feedback completely fractures your development velocity. To build a truly agentic workspace where your AI can read live language server diagnostics, auto-detect linting errors, and generate side-by-side diff previews natively, you need to anchor the model straight into your IDE. So today we are connecting Anthropic's official Claude code to VSCode. So guys, you just open up your VSCode and then press CMD-Shift-X on Mac or Control-Shift-X on Windows to expand your central extensions marketplace on the left layouts. So you're looking for this on the left. Then in the search viewport, type in Claude code and locate the primary tool configuration published explicitly by Anthropic and click Install. And to provide the underlying execution engine, ensure you have the global runtime module running alongside the graphical shell. Open your integrated terminal view and execute the global node installation query. This is going to be your command, guys. And the second both elements sync up, a signature orange spark icon will populate cleanly on your top editor toolbar, this one. Then you can just open up a project file to initialize the workspace context and click the orange spark icon on your toolbar, or simply type Claude straight into your terminal prompt stack. The application will automatically spawn a secure browser window redirection link. Then just click Sign In, authorize your active Claude accounts profile, and the IDE panel will immediately cycle a green live status ring. If you prefer using an enterprise API key, you can skip the browser prompt. Instead, save your developer token as a system variable named Anthropic_API_key inside your profile shell configuration. And also with the bridge initialized, you can just drop a /init command into the core prompt layout to let Claude run an internal codebase audit and automatically build out your baseline workspace architecture map. So that's how you do it, guys. Enjoy as always, like and subscribe.